Hello Twitter users, welcome back to my channel How Logical, where we uncover tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Today in this video, we will teach you how to search tweets by date. If you follow these steps, you can find the tweets made by users within a date range quickly and conveniently. So let's go ahead with our video. Begin by opening your Twitter application on your device. When the app opens up, then go towards the search option in the bottom of the screen. In the search box, you have to type username and the dates in a format. Let's say I'm searching for tweets made by Shahrukh Khan. Then I'll go ahead and type from : username and then since : the year followed by month and then the date. Give a space. Okay, I made a mistake there. It should be since. Give a space and then type until and then a colon. Give your year, month and date again. Now press search. This will show you all the tweets made by Shahrukh Khan during this time interval. You can go from top to bottom and you will see the older tweets made by Shahrukh Khan on the bottom and the newer tweets on the top. Yes, so this is how you can search Twitter by date. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found the content helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.